Okay, factoring cubes, especially when here x cubed plus 27. Notice I call these cubes because you can cube root each of these. So something I kind of want to point out is I had this little cheat sheet of the cube numbers that were cubed, like 2 cubes 8, 3 cubes 27. And I would use this as my little cheat sheet when I was doing the homework. I'd look up here and go, the cube root of x cubed is x, and the cube root of 27 is 3. So I know my answer is x plus 3. Whatever that sign is there, I have an x plus 3. And then I can do it two ways. I can take x cubed divided by x, which is x squared, or simply take x times x, which is x squared. I'm going to take 27 divided by 3, which is 9, or take 3 times 3, which is 9. And then my middle term will be simply this 3 times the x times this negative 1, and I put it there, negative 3x. And that would factor, that's what x cubed plus 27 factors to. It's called a difference of squares, and has a special formula like right here. You'll notice it's the cube root of the term here is that your a plus b for this plus, and it's your a squared minus the two terms times each other, but it's a negative plus b squared. So let's look at another one here. If I had x cubed, 8x cubed plus 27, well, the cube root of 8x cubed is 2x, so I have a 2x, the cube root of 27 is 3, so this 2x plus 3. Also 2x times 2x is 4x squared, 3 times 3 would be a 9, and then this 2x plus 3, but I got to make it negative. The opposite is a minus 6x here. It's always the opposite of whatever that is right there. So difference of squares has a formula. Like right here, you have this one a plus b, and you have this minus here. Here you have an a minus b. Notice you have a negative a cubed minus b cubed. It's a minus b here. Coincidence? I think not. So an example, remember my little cheat sheet? Cube root of 8 is a 2. Cube root of 125 is a 5. This kind of makes it quicker and easier. So the cube root of 2x cubed is 2x. The cube root of 125y cubed would be a 5y. Oh. But because it's a minus, my first answer will be 2x minus 5y. My second parentheses will be this 2x times 2x, or you could do the 8x cubed divided by 2x is 4x squared, but 2x times 2x is 4x squared. 5y times 5y is a 25y, or you could take this one and divide it, but it's going to be it. And then this next one, because it's a negative here, this has to be a plus. So let's take 2x times 5y. 2 times 5 is 10. But you have xy. Oh, so I just forgot to have that. Sorry about that. Just forgot to have the things kind of all pop up in the right order, but that's where it should be right there. Ooh, difference of cubes. Let's try a different difference of cubes. See this 27x cubed and minus y cubed? Well, 27's cube root is 3, but you got x's. There's 3 of them, so it's 3x. And the cube root of a y cubed is just a y. Now it's a minus, so I'm going to have it 3x minus y. My first term here will be this 3x times 3x, or this 26 cubed minus divided by 3x is 9x squared. Y cubed divided by y is y squared, or you can just say negative y times negative y is y squared. And because this is negative, it has to be the opposite sign here. So I'm going to take 3x times y, and it will be a positive 3x y. Those are the difference of cubes. This one's going to kind of be a difference of cubes too, but before you do, you have a common denominator first. What's common to each of these? An x and a 2x. If I divide a 2x out, I get 125x cubed times 216. And don't forget, 2x is going to be part of your answer because that was what was common. Muhammad Ali, I am the greatest. Always look for your greatest common factor first. So now then I'm going to square root the 125x cubed rooted. Cube root of 125 is 5, but I'm going to have an x. Cube root of 216 is 6. It's a plus, so I'm going to have this 5x plus 6. I notice I kept the 2x. And then my middle part will be, what's 5x times 5x? 25x squared. 6 times 6 is 36. And then basically it's a plus here, so I've got to have a minus down here, the opposite. 5x times 6 is 30, so it'll be a minus 30x. Oh, but don't forget, this was also a cubic, but it had a greatest common factor in it first. Good luck on your test.